Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in your Truist Mobile Banking app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Truist Mobile Banking app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is simply give permissions to the app and tap on the register now option. So once you tap on the register now option, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply choose a method, set up your online banking profile. So if you have chosen debit or ATM card number, type in your ATM card number, PIN and all. However, if you choose that I don't have a Truist account yet, you can simply open an account instantly. So if you have selected that option, you need to tap on open now option again, and then you need to fill in all the necessary credentials that has been asked in this kind of interface. So once you're applying for your account, you need to tap on start account and fill in the form to get your account created and get signed up. Or if you choose another option like account number, then all you need to do is simply type in your account number, and then after you do so, you need to type in your social security number of the last 4 digits only. Then after, you need to type in your zip code as well and type in your email address and hit the continue button. Once you're done, simply follow the given on-screen prompts and you will be eligible to get signed up in your Truist Mobile Banking app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.